slept so good last night, alhamdulillah. This is our last day, day 3 at Fairmont Jaipur. It is Sunday. Oh, we're going back home tomorrow, and I almost wish I had a couple of more days over here with Jerry. We woke up a little while ago. Didn't really sleep in, but still slept very comfortably. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now. I have gone and done a very basic glam that I am really liking actually. This has become my sort of go-to routine at the moment. Anyway, the reason I've done the glam is actually because we ordered breakfast in bed, and before the breakfast could arrive, I've had the room cleaned over here behind me, like the bed cleaned, because I thought that I would take some really nice pictures for Instagram, and that's why the little bit of glam. Also, I want to take a couple of pictures for Instagram because I'm sharing everything with you guys over here on YouTube in so much detail, and I'm trying to give as much info and detail on Instagram as well as possible. I'm actually going to sit and read a book for some time till the breakfast comes. I love starting my days with a little bit of book reading. In fact, on this trip, I literally didn't even bring my iPad because I just wanted to read and have a good time without playing Ludo, which you guys see me do all the time. But I am a little bit guilty of taking Jerry's iPad and watching Big Bang Theory on it, because I need something to go to sleep to in the night, and Big Bang or Friends are like my go-to jam. So I'm going to sit and read for a bit till the nashta comes, and we have a very, very, very exciting day ahead. Very exciting day ahead because I have, should I tell you now? Okay, let me just tell you now and then you can see it when we're doing it. We have a really cool cook with Chef Sahil experience, which I'm really looking forward to. And then we have a fun game that the beverage expert of the property has planned for us in the evening. Yeah, that's really exciting to me, and I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, अब मैं बैठ के अपनी किताब पढ़ने वाली हूँ. The one I'm reading right now is The Courage to Be Disliked, and I have read a part of it. As you can see, my bookmark is in the middle somewhere. I'm gonna sit and read for a bit and catch up with you guys in some time. So वैसे तो ये breakfast in bed होने वाला था, but when we sat in the bed and we took the really cute pictures that I'm going to share with you over here, we realized that this might actually be very inconvenient in eating. बहुत झुकना पड़ेगा. So we have nicely got the trays out and we are eating in the living room like normal people. Okay, so after nashta, G and I went down for barely 10 minutes. Yeah. Got a couple of pictures in an outfit that I had. I will share them with you over here. I have changed again. I'm getting so many outfits, guys, because this property looked so pretty on Instagram. I wanted to make sure I had different outfits for everything on the itinerary. We are on our way for a little cooking special with Chef Sahil. I think I told you guys about this in the morning. Basically, I'm going to learn how to cook something from him is what I think we're going to do. Lifts here. Let's go. How beautiful. Hi. Hello.
Good morning, madam.
Hi. Morning. Hello. What a lovely setup for lunch. I want one of these for the house to give my cook. Of course.
Adda will wear this.
Yeah. I feel all profesh.
What are you making, Anna?
I'm making tinda sabzi.
Ooh.
Vegetarian.
So while Anam's making this, I'm making this.
Very nice. You didn't even put the gas on for the boiling water, but you're making it.
I'm supervising. The water's coming along nicely. So are you gonna make this in Bombay for me?
Done.
Done?
Simple था ये मैं कर सकती हूँ.
This is the only tinde ki sabzi that I'll have.
The only
Done. So I'm back from lunch, having eaten Anam's tindas. That just sounds wrong.
Oh god, that sounds so wrong.
But Anam's tindas were very yummy.
I think I
she won
cooked
them
well.
Yeah, she did cook
That
them well.
Chef Rajendra was very good in giving me direction and all
Yeah,
that.
that's true. And this is the chef's kiss.
Adi, adi,
For Anam's
adi.
tindas.
This
And
is
the
a chef's kiss.
It's a kiss for the chef.
And now we are on our way to get a COVID test because the Maharashtra government requires for you to get a COVID negative test while entering Maharashtra, obviously because we live in Mumbai. From Rajasthan, Goa, Delhi and Gujarat. I think Gujarat, yeah.
Gujarat or Karnataka?
No, Gujarat. So we're taking our COVID test today on Sunday so that when we go back home tomorrow, we're allowed in, stress free. This is our third COVID test since November, by the way. We took 2 COVID tests for that. I took 2 COVID tests, you took 2 COVID tests for that shoot. You had already taken 1 before that. So you've taken 3. This will be your 4th COVID test. This will be my 3rd COVID test.
We're on our way down. After having Anam's tindas.
Stop saying that, it sounds galat.
Those are the only kinds of tindas that I will have.
This is all very wrong and too sexual. I'm not part of this conversation. That was extremely quick.
So they even have the drive-through ones now.
Yeah.
Dubai and everywhere.
Even in Bombay.
Even in Bombay?
We have drive-through
Bandra.
COVID. This is COVID test number 4 for Jerry. I think he's become a pro at this point. He's gonna sneeze. He's gonna sneeze.
This one always gets to me. The nose one.
I realize I respond to all forms of my name at this point. Do a lot of people call you Anna? Yes. Some people call me Anna also. I respond to Anna also. I respond to any variation of Anna except Aman. That one is bad for me.
No, the nose one always gets to me. It's
So the one time that I got it done, I just paranoid, thought might as well get it done coming to the hotel and meeting so many people. And sorry. No, the throat is worse for me. And I ended up sneezing on the guy's face. He was holding it for me. And he's like,
After a lovely little nap, after that COVID test that we had to take, we're on our terrace, our room terrace, enjoying our last sunset here in Jaipur. This room 540, literally has the perfect angle for a sunset. So we're just sitting here, enjoying the weather, enjoying the mood, enjoying our last day of holiday, our anniversary trip. And I have these quiches over here that I specially requested for this evening, which is what we actually had in the welcome tray when we came into the room and checked in 3 days ago, which was so delicious. And then they couldn't figure out which one it was. The teams internally checked with each other, and I think they have sent me the exact one now. So I'm gonna go devour this. भूख लग रही है. Lip balm लगाया मैंने घस के आज. So Jerry has this thing where he does 2 doors in perfect time for them to open, making it look like he's doing magic. And there was someone inside the lift. Serves you right for all your pagalpan.
It's not magic, it's the force.
The force, like the Star Wars force.
Wow, well done, brownie points.
But the force was not with you.
Force was with me, the door opened.
And there was someone inside it who also looked at him and laughed because he was like,
The kid was staring at me too.
we're walking into Anjum for a mocktail mixing session. Okay, so we've just come back up to the room after those mocktails, and we knew that we had dinner at our terrace suite.
they've gone all out in making this entire anniversary trip special for us. They've done this entire setup. Wait, let me turn the camera around and show you exactly what it looks like. It is so gorgeous. How stunning is this? This is so romantic and so beautiful. They've added a table for two, bang in the middle, here on our terrace. It's fully candlelit, so many rose petals. This is stunning. Just so stunning. God, Fairmont, how is anyone going to top this? It's beautiful. And this, of course, is the pathway that I just walked here from, with candles and rose petals, the works. Jerry, how beautiful is this?
Yes.
Oh my God. Hi Gigi.
Hello.
What do you think of tonight's beautiful setup by Fairmont?
Gorgeous.
Very
Just like my wife.
Oh, you're so cute, puppy. Thank you. I love you.
I love you more.
We have this lovely little fire over here, giving us little nice coziness on a cold night. And of course, the beautiful scenery that we have. And of course, the love of my life that makes everything better. What a cute doll you are. Checkout. It is 10 a.m. I can't believe इस कमरे को, इस lovely view को बाय कहने का वक्त आ गया है. I honestly don't feel like leaving. We're genuinely going to miss this property. It has been so wonderful to be here for these 3 days. Today is the 4th day we're leaving. We have checkout in 1 hour to reach the airport. Jerry, any final thoughts on our stay at Fairmont Jaipur? Yeah, we're gonna miss it. That's our terrace behind us where we had dinner last night. This entire anniversary trip has just been so lovely.
And thank you.
Thank you. And thank you to the property for being
Yes.
such fab hosts for us.
Thank you, Fairmont. And thank you, my darling wife.
Honestly, could not have asked for a better way to like celebrate our 4-year wedding anniversary.
You're in charge of all anniversary surprises.
Happily. So we're all packed and we are going to go downstairs and have breakfast at the Zoya restaurant because they have a breakfast buffet there every morning and we've been having breakfast in the room every day. So today we're going to go down there and I don't think we're going to come back up to the room because it just makes sense to go out and out. We are going to miss this place. If you have not seen both the previous vlogs from this trip, please make sure you go ahead and see it because काफ़ी details here for the various things from the room tour to everything. This vlog is not over yet. I'm gonna take you down for breakfast with me and फिर हम buy कर सकते हैं. But okay, let's go for breakfast down now. Bye room, bye room, bye room. We're going to miss this room. We always do buy room for rooms we like genuinely enjoyed and liked. It's become like a ritual for us. Come on, let's go. I want to have nashta. Vlog abhi baki hai mere dost. Would have been so fun if someone was inside it again, na?
That never happened.
Here we are at Zoya for the breakfast buffet. Left Fairmont Jaipur. I can't believe that we had to leave. I wish we'd had more time. I mean, 3-4 days was good enough, but next time we will come for longer. Thank you so much to the property for hosting us so beautifully once again. Today's WearFam comment shout out goes to Khushbu Tharwani. Thank you guys for always talking to me in the comments. You know I love you so much and I love reading your comments. I'm always liking, hearting, responding to all of them. Of course, before you go away, please turn those bell notifications on so you get alerts for more of my videos. I will see you in the next one. We are on our way back home now. I love you guys. Bye.